And we begin tonight with a turn of events for a Buffalo man who unjustly spent a week behind bars. He's out of jail tonight because he was wrongly accused of trying to intimidate a prosecutor. Good evening to you. Don is off tonight. The accusations led to the mistrial of a defendant charged with rape. But his defense attorney says he has video evidence that proves his client was not behind the wheel. News 4's Rich Newberg is following these new developments tonight. Rich?
Jackie, Joseph Agro, the attorney for William Payne, is very upset that his client was mistakenly identified and had his bail revoked for a week.
If you're going to blame somebody for something, make sure you get it right.
Assistant Erie County District Attorney Christy Alstrom had sought to have bail revoked for defendant William Payne, who is accused in a rape case. The DA's office, in seeking revocation of bail, asserted to Judge Kevin Case the defendant engaged in an obvious attempt to menace and intimidate one of the prosecutors in the case. Christy Alstrom said it happened at Delaware and Eagle as she began crossing the street after the first day of jury selection. She asserted a car crossed directly in front of her, approximately 2 feet away. Ms. Alstrom recognized the driver of the car to be this defendant, William Payne.
He has never had a driver's license, has never owned a car, has a bus pass.
What's more, says Payne's attorney, the defendant was riding the light rail and a bus on his way home after the first day of the trial. And he has NFTA pictures and street surveillance video to prove it.
We have the stills of him getting on the bus and then getting off the bus at 5:39.
Couldn't have been there at the other scene.
He was not there.
Attorney Agro also shared with me video of the car that supposedly had come within 2 feet of the assistant DA. It did not look like 2 feet.
8 to 10 feet. I've walked that corner every day for 15 years.
Judge Case believed the proof was convincing enough to reinstate bail for the defendant. DA Frank Sedita is out of town and could not be reached to respond to the comments of Mr. Payne's attorney.
We think that this was a rush to judgment, and unfortunately, his liberty was taken from him for 7 days.
Attorney Agro said he did not have permission to release the pictures and the video publicly, but he did show them to me.